I have been building a few boats each year and have collected more boats than I need. I usually recycle the old boats and use the parts for my new boat. I have used this Gen 16 4 times only, and it is still in good condition. It's a waste if I tear it apart and recycle the Coroplast. Therefore, I'm giving away this large sheet of Coroplast. It is the main body of my Gen 16 canoe. I have recycled the floors and also PVC pipes for other projects. Whoever getting it will have to make the floor, the seat, and also adding a few PVC pipes and also lashings to complete the boat. It is very easy to make all these parts. It is a good start if you want to experiment in building a Coroplast boat. If you are really interested, please send me an email to this email address, pdxboatmaker@gmail.com. Please note, it is free and you will pick up the folded Coroplast at AMSI between 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. on September 16th, Saturday. I will show you how to fold, unfold the boat, and also how to complete building this boat. You will sign a waiver of liability. I don't want to set your expectation too high because the boat usually looks better on the videos than the actual boat, but it is a usable and functional boat. I believe you will have fun with it. Please let me know if you are interested and email me on before September 4th, Monday. I will sign you up as my assistant so you can get free admission to AMSI Science Fair on September 16th. If you arrive early to pick up the boat, you will have time to see other fun stuff, such as the solar cars, robotics, Tesla coil at the show. Please reply if you really want to try this out. It is first come, first served. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.